my channel. So I had this impromptu idea of shooting this Korean glass skincare routine for you all. So if you want to know how I got this glowing glass kind of a skin that we usually see on Koreans, then please continue watching. I have already shared some of the favorite products from Korean skincare, so yeah, continue watching if you would like to know how I got this look. So hope you like my recommendations, and if you do, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also leave a heart emoji on the comments. Okay, continue watching. Bye. So I have nothing on my face right now, like you can see. I just came out of the shower and my skin is so dry and parched. Uh, so starting on with the toner, I have two Korean favorite toners over here. One is Claire's Supple Preparation Facial Toner for moisturizing skin care, and this one is Laneige cream Skin. I'm sure you have seen this one. It's quite famous, and I have minis for both of these. I think I got this one from Kite, this one from Nika itself. I want to try it out first before committing to a full size. So I'll tell you the difference between these two toners. So this one, let's start with this one first. So this one is for if you want to just calm down your skin and you are not looking for that much glow, you're looking for a little bit of moisturization and just calming down your skin, irritated skin. So this one is good for that. I don't think this will be giving you much of a glow. This is more of like that oily skin type toner. And this one, however, on the other hand, this one is especially for dry skin, dry and very dry skin, because this one, like you can see, it's a milky toner. So it's like it gives like a lot of hydration and moisturization as well. So it gives a beautiful glow to your skin. Like it looks like you have already moisturized. So it's like a moisturizer in a liquid form, you can just say that. So if you're looking for that glass skin effect, I would suggest going for this one. And if you're looking for something for barrier repair or calming down your skin, then go for this one. So today I'll be going for this one since I'm looking for that Korean glass skin kind of a look. So I'll just go ahead with this one. This one is a like a very liquidy formula. So I just like to take it on my palms and then just tap it on my skin. So you can see already, do you see the glow? And it's not like after drying it will, like this glow will disappear. No, it will just stay like this. Oof, my skin was so dry. It's feeling so good to apply something moisturizing. Yeah, you can apply it on the under eyes as well, since this doesn't have any exfoliating properties. So yeah, like you can see, the glow is real. So yeah, this is how my skin looks like. It is still not dried completely. So the thing with this toner is like it doesn't completely gets absorbed into your skin. Like you will still feel like a layer of something on your skin even after a few minutes. But since I'm a dry skin person, I do not mind that, because anything hydrating and moisturizing I love. But yeah, you can see the glow already. It's just one product. If you like try, if you want, you can layer it multiple times. If you have like very dry skin, I'm sure like the glow will be enhanced. But I like to just go with one layer of this. And like you can see, I have a lot of acne marks. So this one doesn't help with any of the fading of acne marks or hyperpigmentation. This one is just totally for hydration and moisturization only. So yeah, this one doesn't have any chemical exfoliators, so this is good for sensitive skin as well. And this one doesn't even have any fragrance. So but it is quite expensive, like for 50 ml you pay like 750 rupees. So yeah, it is quite expensive, but if you're looking for that Korean glass skin glow, I would recommend getting this one. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead with the infamous Cosrx Nail Mucin. This one is Advanced Nail 96 Power Mucin. I'm sure you have seen this everywhere. It is one of the most viral Korean products ever. So this is one of my most favorite product as well. And like you can see, I've finished this much already. I have been using it for like more than 1 year, I think. And I use it almost every day. And even then, ye ab tak itna hi khatam hua hai, and still this much is left. I mean, this one will last me even months, itna bhi, because you do not need a lot of this. I just take like 1.5 pumps. That is enough for my face. And again, this is a very like, and it is not that sticky. I mean, I know people have shown in earlier videos that it is very sticky, but it isn't. Like if you see, not that sticky. It's really good for, I think, combination to normal skin as well. For dry skin, I don't think this will be enough hydration or moisturization. You will have to like go ahead with another moisturizer. But yeah, for oily or normal skin, I think this one will be good enough for just like a moisturizer as well. And again, this has like really calming properties, and it has actually worked a lot of times in calming my skin down. Whenever there was like a lot of some reaction that my skin had, I always go back to this. I just stop using everything else and just go back to this one whenever I need that one skincare that can just calm my skin down. So yeah, and then you can see the glow. I mean, it already got absorbed. It's like very lightweight, so it already got absorbed. I apply a bit of extra on under my eyes, and yeah, this is the glow already with 2 products. Whatever is remaining, you can just take it to your neck as well. Yeah, this is how my skin looks like. And I know this is an expensive buy. Most of the Korean products are expensive, but this one I would say it's totally worth your money, because you are like getting a bang for your buck, because you just need 1 pump of this for your entire face, and this one is going to last you for a very long time. So yeah, this moisturizer for I think the same range, it is their Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This one is also quite famous, and but this one is a bit thicker. This one I would recommend especially for dry skin only. I don't think oily or normal skin will be able to handle this. So that I apply at the end mostly. One other product that I recently started using is this one. This one is my Isntree TW Real Bifoda Ampule. This is how it looks like. This is how the packaging looks like. And I recently got this, and I think I got it from Cult itself at a flat 50% off. And I think this one retails for 1700 for 50 ml of product. And this is how the packaging looks like. So basically I haven't seen anybody, literally anybody, talking about this, but I read the ingredients and it was quite intriguing, because it mostly mentions tone and wrinkle care, soften skin texture, and rich nourishment. All of these call out my name literally, because it is good for, I think, anti-aging as well. It is also good for calming down your skin. So anything that is just sensitive skin friendly, I want to grab it. So I have already started using this. Like you can see, I used a tiny bit of it. I think used it for maybe 2-3 weeks, and it does provide a very good hydration and nourishment to your skin, and it does give you a beautiful glow as well. Like you can see, this kind of a glow you can get just with this as well. So yeah, this is one of the product I would also recommend. I'm not sure about the wrinkle care, because I have to use it long enough to be able to comment on that, but yeah, for hydration or for just calming down your irritated skin barrier, I think this one is a good one. And also just for the glow as well, like this kind of a glow, you can go for this one. I think Isntree is available on Nykaa as well now, so you can check it out on Nykaa. And today I won't be using this because I have other products that I would like to use, but yeah, this one is also a good recommendation, especially if you're looking for that barrier repair and glowing Korean skin. Korean skincare is not mostly dependent on those chemical exfoliators I have seen. It is mostly that rice water, hydration, barrier repair, those kind of things, which I love, by the way. So yeah, let's move on to the next product. This is not a Korean product, this is an Indian brand, but I love this, and this is the perfect product to get that glass skin. I'm talking about Plum Niacinamide Serum. This is Plum Niacinamide Rice Water and Niacinamide 10% Serum. I'm sure you've seen this everywhere, and it completely deserves all the hype it gets, because it is one of my most favorite and most used serum ever. Like I think this is my 4th bottle already, and I already have not even one, I have like 2 backups of this product. So I love it a lot. It's almost over. It's like and it's very good product. Like very, if you want to just get one product from this entire video, get this. I mean these two. If you want to just have a two-step glass skin routine, just go for these two and you are sorted. Either these two or these two and you are sorted, literally. But this is like most affordable, most effective skincare product I've ever used. Also, this is also very calming and also gives like that brightening effect because of rice water, and it's also very hydrating. It will give you this kind of a glass skin just by using this as well. So I love this product. Sometimes I just use this and nothing else whenever I am like not using any chemical exfoliators. It's almost over actually. Yeah, so you just need like a pump or two of this and that should be good enough. Do you see that glow? It gives such a good hydration. I mean, just one product works in so many multiple ways, especially for this price point. I mean, you cannot ask for more, literally. Plum did a very good job with this serum for sure. So yeah, just tap it into your skin and it gets absorbed pretty quickly. I wouldn't recommend this whole routine, by the way, for anybody who is having normal or oily skin or even combination skin. Like, you can just get this one and you should be good. I would not recommend getting all of these because it can like clog your pores if you just use all of these at the same day. But yeah, since I have dry skin, I can do this routine on some days. So yeah, but still मैं सारे products एक साथ use नहीं करती हूँ. I just use these two along with this Laneige toner. And I think today also I have done that already. I have just used these three products yet, and you can see the glow. It's beautiful. And this is just indoor lighting, so I do not have like any studio lights or any external sunlight or anything. This is just the indoor lighting from a window and just like my phone screen itself. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, this is how it looks like after using this plum serum. This is very hydrating. Like you can see, it just feels so plump and hydrating on my skin. So moving on to the last product of this video, that is this all-in-one snail 92 all-in-one cream from CosRx. I think this one retails for I think 1600 or 1700 bucks. It is quite expensive. It's quite an investment, I would say, but you get like 100 grams of product with this, and I think this will last you forever. This one I have started using recently. I mean, this one I have been using for 1 year, but this one I just I think recently bought it, and I have been using it again for this winter season, I think for past 1 week or two, and I really do like it. And you do not need a lot of this. Like, let me just show it to you, the texture of this one. And this one is having that sticky texture that YouTubers usually show on videos. This one is having that. Let me show it to you. So yeah, it is having that sticky texture for sure, but that snail essence, that doesn't have any sticky texture. That one's like really lightweight. However, this one, like, you need a very tiny amount of this one. Let me just show you. It's quite messy actually to be using. Okay, so I have used only this much because I already have a lot of things going on, and like you can see, it is having that sticky kind of a texture. So this is not something for oily or normal skin. This is purely a dry skin product, but I love it because I have dry and parched skin, so all the hydration I can use it. Again, this feels very nice and just provides a very nice slip. You can also just massage your face a bit with this one. It gives a very nice and calming feeling. I love to use this at a night time. This is, I think, the perfect night cream if you do not want to do 1,000 steps and just want to have one night cream. This is a very good one because I've heard that this also helps with fading out the fine lines and wrinkles, like these smile lines and a bit of under eyes wrinkles as well. So I haven't used this long enough to comment on that, but yeah, I really do like the hydration it gives. I almost every day use it for a nighttime routine. Like, this would be my last step because this is quite heavy in itself, so it gets absorbed in like few minutes, but yeah, initially it will feel a bit heavy and very hydrating. And yeah, that is, I think, all the products I use for getting this glass skin kind of a glow, like you can see. So yeah, none of these products have those exfoliating properties. So this is like very safe for acne prone or sensitive skin, or somebody that has broken skin barrier. I personally like use very less chemical exfoliators these days because I think it doesn't work well for me because I have like extremely sensitive skin. So I mostly focus on barrier care and hydrating products only. So all of these products work really well for me. On a lot of days I just do this kind of a skincare only, and maybe once or twice a week I just use salicylic acid. Also, this niacinamide does help with a little bit of hyperpigmentation, but yeah, it is not at all irritating for my skin. So yeah, I guess that is all. The last step would be this Laneige lip sleeping mask. Again, I'm sure you have seen this everywhere. This is a mini. I think I got a set of four on some discount or something. So yeah, this is what I like to use. I already have a lip balm, so I'll be applying a little bit of this. But yeah, this is also very nice and moisturizing. I won't say it repairs my lips, but yeah, it is nice and moisturizing, especially for the winter season. A very good one. So yeah, that is all I think for my winter skincare routine for that Korean glass skin. So yeah, I guess that is all the products I use on a regular basis. I want to share with you, and let me go in a better lighting and show actually how my skin looks, because I think the lighting is a bit off in this room. So yeah, this is how my skin looks like just near a window, and I do not have any makeup or anything on my skin. So this is the reality, and this is how the skin looks like. I do not have any artificial lighting or anything, and yeah, this is as real as it gets.